stop? Show me your hands. All right, show me your hands, though. Why didn't you stop right away? Okay, I'll explain all that. Get back in the car for a minute.
I'm not even doing that, ma'am.
Radio,
he's my mom's house.
Send me another car.
I didn't even do anything.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
What? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Please do not touch me. I'm not doing anything.
Stop.
You are being recorded. I did not do anything, ma'am. Can you please let my arm go? Why are you grabbing me?
Because I asked you to stop. You're at a traffic stop.
Grabbing me. Please stop grabbing me.
Radio,
Ma.
step it up.
Ma. Can you please stop grabbing me? I didn't do anything. I don't know. This lady just
Get on the ground.
Stop grabbing me. What are you doing?
You're not going in the house.
Yes, I am. Move. What are you doing? Stop. What are you doing?
You're on a traffic stop.
I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, you need to get out of it. You need to stop.
Can you please leave me alone?
No.
I did not do anything.
Get on the ground.
Whoa.
Get on the ground.
Ma'am, you are being recorded.
That's fine. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I don't have a weapon.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Why?
Get on the ground.
See, my hands are free.
Okay, get on the ground.
I didn't do anything.
You're not listening. Get on the ground.
Ma'am, I didn't do anything.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get in the house.
That's my brother.
Get in the house.
I can't go in my mom's.
Get on the ground.
Why?
Get on the
What
ground.
did I do? I am recording you, ma'am. I'm not getting on the ground.
You're not listening. Get on the ground.
I got your recording.
That's fine. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground right now.
Get in the house.
On the ground. On the
I
ground.
have a heart condition.
Get on the ground right
Get in the
now.
house.
Taser, taser, taser.
Why would you tase my brother? He didn't do shit.
One's been tased.
Fucking tased. This nigga didn't do shit. We wanted for long.
Get in the house.
Get out. Move me, bitch. You think you never do
Hey,
it?
get back right now. Get back. Get back.
Shoot me, motherfucker.
Get back.
Get in the house.
I'm not moving. Get off me.
Hey,
Why'd you
You're
touch me?
obstructing. Get in
get
the house.
back.
You touch me. I'm not
They ain't just go in the house,
I'm not a
bro.
touch. I'm not a
Yo.
Get us a couple more calls. Somebody came up here. We got some more.
Get off
Go in the
me.
house, bro.
Fine, turn around.
No, bro.
You want to obstruct? Turn around.
Standing right here.
Let's grab this guy.
I don't know what's going on. Oh my God.
I'll give it to you again if you give us a problem.
I'm not doing anything.
On your face. On your face. Hands behind your back. Okay.
Oh my God.
Yes, we will.
I didn't do anything. Oh, I did not do anything. I did not do anything.
Get my glasses up. You step
I do
on
not
me,
know
bitch.
what's going on.
Bitch. I had a stroke. I stayed right there recording. Fucking bitch, dude, run!
You should probably just listen.
I asked you to get in the house.
You stay with that dude, run!
That's my little brother. He didn't do anything. We didn't do anything.
No, he did a lot because he wouldn't listen to us, and you wouldn't listen to us.
All I was doing was at my mom's house.
What?
I just pulled up.
black car?
No, it's this one right
I
here.
just pulled up to my mom's house. That's it. I don't know why she even did
It
that.
doesn't matter what.
All my blinkers. How
about you just listen?
The speed limit. I was not speeding.
Hey,
None of that.
listen, this is your problem. You don't listen. You just want to talk.
I don't know why she pulled me over.
It doesn't matter if you know. She was probably going to explain it to you. You didn't want to listen.
You jumped out of the car and tried to run into the
I
house.
didn't try to run into the house. All I did got out of the car, asked what's going on, and went to my mom's house.
231.
That's it.
Here, let's roll to your side here. Anything I need to worry about that's on you. Anything sharp.
Oh, can you get this off these handcuffs? My shoulder is dislocated. That's why I have a sling on. I have a prescription for that. It's
Oh, I
in my
bet you do,
vehicle.
and they sell it in these little baggies too, don't they?
Actually, no, they gave it in the bottle.
You don't have to
I put
answer
it in
that. I'm just. Don't matter to me.
Oh, don't get that out.
That's how you do it. That's the
You're
only way to
supposed
get
to
them
wait
out.
for the EMT. I know how this go.
Yeah, you know a lot, don't you?
I've never been tased before. That just hurt.
I bet it does.
Shit.
West Station at Jet Center. Please give me Henry.
No problem.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Get in the car.
I'm being detained. I'm not being arrested, right?
You're under arrest.
Oh, you're under
Why
arrest.
am I under arrest?
Because of everything you did after you jumped out of the car. When you turn at an intersection,
Why? I used my blinker.
You didn't. Number one, you didn't use your blinker on.
I did. I used both of my blinkers. I used my blinker when I turned left.
Are you let me know when you want me to talk?
I used my blinker turning right when I came into here.
You let me know when you want me to talk.
Go ahead.
Okay. You got off the freeway.
Yeah. Use my blinker.
You did.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then when you switched into the center lane, you did not use your blinker.
You should have did that before I even came here. Then, if that's the case, then I did use my blinker.
Okay. You done? Or you want me to continue?
Because my blinker was still blinking to go into the left lane.
Okay. Are you done? Thanks. Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then you approach 305. I'm sorry, you approach Euclid Avenue from 305.
Mm-hmm.
When you make a left turn, you got to stay in the left lane, and then you indicate to get into the right lane. You just went right into the right lane. That's an improper turn in an intersection.
Go ahead.
Okay? And then I activate the lights, and you continue into Severn, and all the way to the park. And then I put my siren on.
I didn't know you were doing that for me.
Then you
when
continued.
I turned,
What about right here?
When I turned, there's another car on the side of me.
And then what about right here? And then you continued all the way into your parking spot.
I asked you why you were reaching for your weapon. I had a sling on. You reaching for your weapon, of
not
course.
Until you
of course
ran
I'm gonna walk
into
off. You're reaching for your weapon. I'm fearing for my life.
Okay.
What you mean?
Oh, you tried to talk to me before.
Oh, let's go ahead.
I'm being charged with. What's that? I'm being charged with
Obstructing, resisting.
I wasn't resisting.
Can one of you guys meet me down?
I was not resisting arrest.
See me down here.
I did not resist arrest at all.
Okay. So when I asked you to stop going into the house, to get on the ground, that's not resisting?
You pulled your weapon on me.
Not at that point, no.
You pulled your weapon on me, and I am unarmed.
Okay.
You would have shot me for nothing.
Okay. What's your name?
Okay, I'm just turning around now. Just so you have it, it's George King.
Okay, what's going on?
So I activated it before I got into Severn. He continued into Severn. I activated my siren. He continued all the way into here, exited. I didn't see his hands. Didn't know he had a sling. He got it. He unzipped for me and started to run into there. And then another gentleman came out of the house. So at that point, I drew down until somebody said that.
So only one guy in the car?
Correct.
Okay.
He came out.
Yeah, one's in our car.
I told him to go in. He didn't.
And he wouldn't go in?
No. He kept coming out.
Okay.
Coming out. At that point, I drew down until somebody came up.
Okay.
And then Bob came up with the taser. And
All right.
Not yet. You didn't. You're right. Listen.
I didn't know what was going on.
I know. Can you let me finish? Can you let me finish? Can you let me finish? Okay. Can you? So he doesn't stop. He wants to run out of the house, and he wants to run in the house. And you close the door. You did the right thing. Okay. The problem is when there's one of me, and would you understand that I'm a lot smaller?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Listen to me. Let me finish. Okay. He's not complying with my orders, and I'm by myself. And there's two of you and one of me. All I did was ask you to go in the house. You can videotape all day long.
I was standing in front of my stand.
That's fine. Listen, let me finish, man. Let me finish, okay? You can videotape all day long. I don't have a problem with that. But when let me finish, man.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Let me finish, okay? You can videotape all day long, but when I need you to go in the house while I'm trying to finish what I need to do, when there's one of me until my backup comes, that's all. That's the problem I have. So that's why you were being detained until I can figure out what's going on, okay? There was one of me, there's two of you, okay? I need to put myself in a better position. That's all, okay? You're not going to jail. You're not under arrest. We had to detain you until we figured out what was going on, okay? That's all, okay?
So
that's all.
Going to jail.
Listen, had he just stopped, I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. He's running at me or away from me. I have to protect myself, okay?
I understand. I'm sorry.
I need to go home tonight. I don't know what's going on. I asked him to show me his hands. I didn't know he had a sling at first. He did. He complied with that. And then he's trying to run away from me. I said, don't go in the house. Don't go in the house.
He has a lot of mental health issues.
Okay. What's going on with him? Talk to me.
He just has a lot of mental health issues.
Okay.
And he has so many anger problems. I don't know what's going to happen. He lashes out.
Okay.
Just anything could happen. I just didn't want to see my brother get shot.
Okay. Listen, man. I don't want to shoot him. That's not what I'm here for. I'm just trying to protect myself until somebody else comes. And that wasn't working either. He doesn't want to comply with anything. But when I have two of you and there's one of me, I need to have the upper hand. I need to go home tonight. And whatever that is to make sure that I go home tonight. Okay? All I was asking you to do is just to go in the house for a minute. So you can tape all you want. But listen. Just listen to me at that time. Okay? I get it. It's your brother, man. I get it. That's all. All right? Come on out. Come on out. Bend at your waist, okay? Because the locks are underneath.
I can do it for you.
Somebody got my glasses and my phone.
I think we do, yeah. Here you go. Alright, here's the deal. He's going to jail for a couple things, okay? Once he gets booked in, he'll get a phone call and let you know what's going on, okay?
Alright, what about my glasses? Do you know who those are?
I never picked them up.
Might be over here. Come on over here. Did anybody get his phone number?
I do not know.
What's your phone number, man?